A knock echoed at midnight, but the security camera showed no one outside. When Daniel opened the door, he realized someone had already entered his house. The unknown visitor. It was a cold winter night. Daniel lived alone. His house stood beside a dark forest. The wind howled through the trees. Everything felt strangely quiet. Then someone knocked on the door. 3 slow knocks echoed outside. Daniel looked at the clock. It was exactly midnight. He checked the security camera. Nobody was standing outside. His heartbeat became faster. The knocking came again. This time it was louder. Daniel slowly unlocked the door. A freezing wind rushed inside. The porch was empty. Nobody was there. Then he noticed muddy footprints. The footprints started at the doorway. They continued into his house. Daniel never heard anyone enter. His hands began to shake. The lights suddenly flickered. Darkness filled every room. A soft whisper echoed upstairs. Someone quietly called his name. Daniel grabbed a flashlight. He followed the strange voice. The whisper stopped near an old bedroom. The door was already open. The room looked completely empty. An old mirror stood in the corner. Dust covered its surface. Suddenly, words appeared on the mirror. "I never left." Daniel stepped backward. His flashlight switched off. The room became freezing cold. He felt someone breathing behind him. He turned around quickly. Nobody was there. The mirror cracked with a loud sound. A pale hand slowly reached out. Daniel screamed in terror. The lights came back on. Everything looked normal again. The mirror was completely fine. Daniel thought it was only a nightmare. Then his phone vibrated. A new message appeared. There was no sender. It said, "Don't close the door tonight." Daniel slowly looked toward the entrance. The front door was already open. A dark figure stood silently outside. This time, the security camera captured it too. What would you do if someone knocked on your door at midnight, but nobody was outside? Speech balloon, tell me your answer in the comments. If you enjoy mystery stories that also help you improve your English, subscribe and turn on notifications for the next chilling story.